Good morning, everybody. This is Brian and Krista with Wonder Arts and Adventures. Wanted to bring y'all to the beach this morning. We had a little cool front come through last night. Woke up 55 degrees. It's 65 right now. But as you can see, the water behind us is just so flat and calm because the winds are coming out of the north, so it does the opposite effect. But anyway, it is just absolutely beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky this morning, and just kind of wanted to show y'all around. And there's hardly nobody here. There's a few people on the beach, but it's really nice. We love this time of the year right here because mostly the tourists are gone home, so we kind of get to enjoy it a little bit. So and actually this afternoon I might come out here, maybe throw a line in, see what I can catch. And but anyway, we hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like I said, I'm going to show you around a little bit. Hey everybody, this is Brian again. Wanted to show you guys something here on the beach. Normally our water stays super clear and everything, and I don't know if you noticed earlier in the video, it's a little dark and stirred up, but we're getting what they call beach renourishment right now. It's when we got a big dredge that comes out here, sucks sand off the bottom out in the middle of the Gulf, and they pump it back up on shore to extend the beach, you know, make it wider and stuff like that, where it's eroded through our storms and everything we've had here. So I just wanted to show y'all the big dredge that's out there and show you what's going on our end of the beach, and let y'all see what it's like. As you can see, the water, our water is usually a pretty emerald green and everything, but it's turned up. If you look, see the dredge sitting out there, and what they do is they run a pipeline from the shore, and you can see the water gushing up and all that stuff, but they run a pipeline out probably about 400 and something feet, and that dredge has all the sand out in it, and it pumps it all the way back to the shore. And they have these dozers, as it's coming out with the water and everything, they have these dozers push it and level it, and they'll extend the beach out like a good 200 feet. Back in 2012, I worked for the same company down here. You know, we had just moved down in 2011, and it was an experience. I mean, it's 12 hours a day, 7 days a week for like maybe 4 or 5 weeks straight before you actually get a day off. So it's a tough job. I worked with them for quite a while. Started out security, ended up becoming what they call a shoreman, which I fueled equipment and set up light plants and did a lot of stuff, you know, and kept people out of the operator's way and stuff. So just wanted to show you all this, and I'll try to get closer up. There's barriers so, you know, beachgoers can't get by. You can see the track hoe and then the big D dozers down there, and you can see the water pumping up, and you can see how nasty it is right at the moment. But it's only down at this end of the beach where they're working on. But you'll gradually see that dredge start raising up as it empties the sand out, and you pretty much know when the water stops pumping down here. But it's a kind of dangerous job. You got 31-inch galvanized pipe all shoved together. They do like a burlap gasket, which I've had to put that on and stuff. And the pressure coming out of that dredge, I mean, literally kill somebody. I mean, I've had one of the pipes blow up close to me. And also, where they go get the material at, I mean, the Navy used to practice out here, so we've had ammunition that was still alive going through those pipes before. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, this is like one end of our beach, and you can see where it is right now, and you can see the piles of sand out. They'll spread all that out and make it look like a new beach. I'll take y'all to the other end here in a little while and show you what they've already done, and you can see the difference in the distance from the dunes out to the water's edge. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this, and I'll be back with some more in a little bit. Y'all can see right here, this is all the new sand that they pumped out of the Gulf up, and you can see how much wider the beach is right now. They still got to come back through here and kind of grade it out and stuff, but they'll drag a pipe along and level it. This is where the tractors have been coming through. You can see where they're working. We're on the other side of where they're working. Y'all can see on this side how much clearer the water is from where they're pumping down there. All that muck and sand is going through the pipe, and you got it all stirred up. But this is what our water normally looks like. It's beautiful. There's my little mermaid right there. Old country girl. All right, y'all, we're about to call it a day. It's been beautiful today, and we really hope y'all have enjoyed this little short video.
And if y'all have liked our video, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. Y'all have a great night. Thank you. Thanks for watching.